So hello friends, welcome to my new video. So today in this video I will discuss with you all about a very common topic but that should be understood properly. Okay, so I'm telling about how to read a spectacle prescription. Suppose you went for an eye examination and your eye specialist written you the spectacle prescription and but you don't know how to read it. Multiple numbers are written there but you don't know what it actually mean that. Okay, so here you can see there is the spherical, cylindrical, axis, prism, base. So all these things that we will discuss today. Okay, so here if you see that a spectacle prescription contain your name, experiment date, and this is for distance and this is for near. Okay, and this is the additional information that I will tell you what is actually include. Okay, so let's start. So here let me put the marker. So spherical, suppose this is a lens having two principal meridian, vertical and horizontal. Okay, if in two meridian there is equal number of power is distributed, that is spherical. So spherical sometime it is written as SPH, and you will see spherical without any axis like minus 1, -2 or -3.5, but sphericals do not have any axis in it. Okay, and these are only present with the value. But suppose let's talk about the cylinder. Cylindrical number are sometimes written as CYL with its axis. Okay, like here two principal meridian, vertical, horizontal. In my last video what I told you about the astigmatism, if you have the cylindrical number in the prescription, that means you have the astigmatism. That means the curvature of the cornea in two meridian are not that much similar to each other. So this is why you have the cylindrical number. If you go to the last video you will see the type of astigmatism. Okay, so suppose your eye specialist written you the power like -1 cylinder at 90 degree. Okay, this means that if this is the eye, light rays are coming from this side, one light ray get focused on the retina but another light ray get focused in front of the retina. So to make this light ray go back to the retina to focus again, you need -1 cylinder at 90 degree. Okay, and after placing this power, this light rays will go to the retina here to focus it properly. Okay, so this is what it actually mean. Okay, so this is the cylindrical number. Another thing that you will see is prism. My handwriting is so bad, right? PRISM, prism. Prism, when we use prism, when suppose someone having esotropia or exotropia, and because of that they have diplopia, in this kind of patient we use prism. That means you have misalignment. If I tell in a layman word, your eyes are not aligned properly and it is deviated inward outward, something like that. So, and you don't want to go for the surgical thing, so that's why your eye specialist given you the prism power on your glasses. So this is prism. If prism is written, then you should understand you have the deviation of your eye and your eye specialist given you the prism power. It is not related to the refractive error, it is the alignment of the eye. Okay, and if you have the refractive error, you will see that it is written as sphere, cylinder, axis. Cylindrical number always present with axis. This is for distance. Now let's go to the addition. So here you know that after a certain age, like at the age of 40, okay, we all have sometime difficulty to read the near, that is known as presbyopia. So if you have the presbyopia, you need the near correction. If you have the minus power in your eye, like suppose -2 for distance, then even you are 40 or 43, you will have less difficulty to see for near, because you are myopic and your eye do not need to accommodate more to see the near, because the light rays are getting already focused in front of the retina. So this is why you don't have that much difficulty to see for near. But suppose you are not having any power in your eye, you are emmetropic. That means what? That you have to get your near glasses to see a near thing clearly. So this is known as presbyopia. So here it is written as addition power of +2 in both eye, even if you are having myopic. So let me tell you, sometime what happen, that all the patient who are having a minus power, they are called myope. Who are having plus power, they are called hyperope. So if you are myope, then they sometimes tell that if I remove the glasses, I don't feel difficulty to see for near, but prolonged near activity lead to headache and this dizziness, eye strain condition, and I cannot focus it properly, because you are not putting the correction that is needed, and you are pressurizing your eyes to see the near object clearly. That is very wrong. So this is why there is the need of near correction. So this is why it is given. And remember, there is no specific power for any age. It is depend on what reading distance that you work. Okay, so here addition power given is +2. Now another thing here I would like to tell, that here they have missed one extra column here. Let me put it. Okay, so that is visual acuity. Suppose with this power you got visual acuity of 6/6 in the right eye, 6/6 in the left eye. Okay, and here with this power you got N6 at 30 centimeter. 6/6 is considered as normal visual acuity. I am telling about the visual acuity, not vision. There is a huge difference between vision and visual acuity. Okay, so a vision include proper depth perception, color vision, proper aligned eye, proper light and dark adaptation, and visual acuity. All these things are included. But visual acuity means how clearly you can see the letter. It's not more than that. But beyond that also multiple things are there that need to be checked. Okay, so this is a brief thing that I told about the eyeglass prescription. If you have any doubt related to it, do kindly tell me in the comment section, and I will definitely give you the answer of it. Thank you so much for your kind listening. So let me tell you about the additional information, that what it actually mean and what they write there. So here I would like to draw a image. I'm a very bad in drawing, but I will tell you. Suppose this is the right eye, this is the left eye, and this is the nose. When you put the glass in your eye, all the glasses having one geometrical point. Okay, this is the geometrical point. So the geometrical point of the glass should be co-aligned with the pupil center. Okay, otherwise you will feel prismatic effect or distorted visual appearance if you have specific cylindrical number also. Okay, so this is why in additional information they put IPD. IPD tells the distance between two eyes. So IPD is taken by a PD ruler or digital pupillometer, where monocular PD also taken and binocular. It is just the measurement of your eye distance from each other. So this IPD is very much important in glass dispensing, because here if you see the power is -4 and -5 in this prescription with cylindrical number in the left eye. So here alongside prism is also given. So proper interpupillary distance measurement should be there, otherwise it will lead to blurring of vision or distortion, or like sometimes shading, diplopia. All this can also be there. So this is why interpupillary distance measurement is written in this additional section, additional information section. Apart from that, they might include other information like what type of lens, okay, what type of lens, or also coating, coating, what type of lens, what type of coating, what type of design, all these are written in this additional information. Okay, so this is how a glass prescription look like. Do let me know if you have any question.